Starting around 15 August 2023, Bitgert truly is exchanging at $0.00000026 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.05%. In very most recent 60 minutes, truly in spite of prevalent thinking, Brise sort of has a sort of complete market cap of $103,684,343, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,707,965, in an every way that really matters, significant way. This generally makes Bitgert, Brise genuinely positioning at 190 in the cryptographic money market, which for the most part is very critical. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Bitgert cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Bitgert essentially be somewhat worth in 2023? Is Bitgert a genuinely wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2023? Which especially is very huge. Will Brise cost basically outperform its untouched high? Or so they certainly thought. These explicitly are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost especially is supposed to, for the most part, cross an extremely normal value level of $0.00000035. The normal truly least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to basically be $0.00000034. Besides, Brise can for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0.00000038, showing how might Brise value sort of outperform its untouched high, or so they by and large thought. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Bitgert in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000028 and $0.00000032, showing how Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023 as per the Bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The Brise cost in every way that really matters is supposed to explicitly cross a very normal value level of $0.00000035. The normal kind of least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to basically be $0.00000034 in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. While the in every way that really matters normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.00000031, or so they especially thought. Bitgert value expectation September 2023. Bitgert cost generally is supposed to reach between $0.00000031 to $0.00000034 in September 2023, while the typical cost of Brise for the September for the most part remains around $0.00000032. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Bitgert in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000032 and $0.00000035. So Brise truly has a kind of complete market cap of $103,684,343, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,707,965 in an unobtrusive manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.00000033 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the kind of greatest cost for Bitgert could for the most part stretch around $0.00000037, exhibiting that Bitgert, Brise, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Bitgert in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000028 and $0.00000032, showing how Bitgert, Brise, value forecast 2023 as per the Bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost in every practical sense is supposed to truly cross and in every way that really matters, normal value level of $0.00000035. The normal least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the buy in large current year ought to be $0.00000034 amazingly. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023 explicitly is $0.00000034 with an especially normal cost of $0.00000035, which generally is very critical. Bitgert value figure December 2023. The normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could go to $0.00000035 toward the finish of December 2023. Extremely in spite of mainstream thinking, Brise could be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of $0.00000038 with the base expected cost of $0.00000034 in a sort of significant manner. Bitgert past value examination and the beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been explicitly diminished by 6.8% in its ongoing worth, which is genuinely critical. In the event that we basically look at the truly current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in an in every practical sense, large way. Bitgert explicitly is confronting an in every practical sense difficult time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, which truly shows that these essentially are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Brise generally is down to nearly 26.57% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, or so they truly thought. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for certainly past not many days. The coin could really have most areas of strength for certainly in any case. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in fundamentally present moment, which is very huge. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise really diminished by 46.523%, killing an astounding pretty normal amount of $0.00000023 from its especially current worth, exhibiting that these sort of are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a sort of good, essentially purchase an open door for pretty fast speculation, which by and large shows that Bitgert value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the in every practical sense greatest cost for Bitgert could for the most part stretch around $0.00000037, exhibiting that Bitgert, Brise, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Bitgert in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000028 and $0.00000032, showing how Bitgert, Brise, value forecast 2023 as per the Bitgert gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Brise cost for the most part is supposed to explicitly cross a sort of normal value